money would have come in like blood.
Mm-hmm.
So it don't make sense. You give it where you look.
True.
Because remember you have to buy food, to eat, to maintain the blood in your body. To keep it rich and keep it flowing. You
Yeah.
want it?
Yeah, exactly.
That takes money.
Mm-hmm.
To do that, don't.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, when you achieve your money,
Mm-hmm.
you don't walk and give away your money. Your money you have to maintain your system. So that means to say your body and your system.
Mm-hmm.
And then still you have your life, daily living, where you have to maintain.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? So that it come in like your house bill, your car bill, your woman them, all of them daily living there. You know what I say? You have to maintain with your money.
Alright, so when you start sharing?
When you start to share money now,
Mm-hmm.
is that when time you find yourself achieve money on top of money, so you find say the tank full and I run over and water or milk or blood or honey continue coming in at the tank.
Yeah.
So it a run over and stuff a come in so it can never dry again.
Yeah.
So you can continue giving away right down the fucking line. So just people to take time with you and wait
And wait.
for feed them turn.
Yeah.
But people want you to give away what you have and come back right down on the stage where the tank bottom dry and nothing no in the tank and you're going to have to sit down and I look so like lappy dog with them.
True.
And that now go nowhere.
True.
So it's easier for people say you're mean more than say you're worthless.
True.
You understand me,
Cool,
brother?
hey. Yeah, the truth still like that.
Yeah, man. It's easier for people look upon you and say, oh, the blood clot all cat him mean so. Man, when you go to road, yeah, man, I say, oh, you see all them worthless not blood clot, you know.
True.
And a little money in hole, you know.
And a liar.
And look upon him, look where he live. Hey, go him a ride, go him say all bicycle and something. Because so you sit down and we hear people style and class, people. So you tell yourself, say no. But when you start achieve your own, you know so you're not going to take this give it to people, fuck people. Look how much people have. How much of them they take for them come give it to you?
None of them.
Hey, then you know that have if them they do it.
Yeah.
So none of them never do it. So me no want nobody come feel like say me a idiot. And me go just walk around give away money cause me I make money. So hold on, what go happen to me the end of the day? Who are going to give me money when me need money?
Nobody.
Me no need money for stockpile. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you
me
need to save
money
too.
for stockpile. That means to say me have money for live off of. Me no want money for have to give it and then me no have none tomorrow. Me have to go look money again. For what give it tomorrow again. What good that do to me?
Yeah, we ain't not give them them and say, yeah, this, yeah, that, and style, yeah,
But that me tell you say easy, man. Say me mean, brother. Man say me worthless. So when you go say me a pussy, well, and me a this and me a that, me did expect that long time. Just tell the word, say me mean. Just use the word and that cover everything. Cat mean. Yeah, man, then that no good, brother. Yeah, man, me mean. What wrong with that? Yeah, man.
at least you mean for the better.
Yeah, me mean, but me not mean to myself. Me mean to you. Yeah, man. Me not mean to myself. Me go mean to you because you want to sit down and tell yourself, say, me supposed to go work and achieve to maintain you. As you say, cat, give me supposed to have for give. Me can't have it too, brother. And me can't have you and
But once you
can't
see you
get
start,
too.
me could have go always see happy.
Yeah, but me can't have you and can't get too.
True.
Yeah, because you know enough it. While you come here, I just maintain me
And
needs.
try to turn this.
Yeah, I try. Turn this so I can have little something can say, yo brother, you can come and help move the box here and get that dollar you know, because me have the dollar you can pay you to move the box here. But if me take that dollar you give you, me not have to go find dollar more to give another man to move the
Yeah,
box
where it all come from.
Where it all go come from? When me I go get it from? Then I say me have it.
And like
Yeah,
that.
so me now go have my money and take it gateway and still have the work we done. And me not give the man what we do the work. So as so now we go can stretch with wings Cause me I go can't say, yo, Tom, you don't know some why you can do this for me. And how much you charge to do this. And you can't achieve a money now. Cause nothing never did I go on and you can't achieve a money. At that time, man, if you look and say, you have to start from this, brother, you have to start work. Not just tell yourself, so me I go work and have money and me rich and you go rich too.
No, you have to, things take time.
Things take time, brother. You have to go tell yourself, say, no, we can't have money. We can't work and get money now. So I'm going to set up a business place where we can employ enough of it. So now we can work and have money.
True.
Yeah, not just tell yourself, say, my money now, I got just done out, so brother. Oh, that's a good. For the whole of it. And I walk a big dollar uptown and I beg a man to buy a script and I beg a man to buy a drink and something.
That no good.
And which we did above that long time. And we don't have to so you want to reach. You want to go reach back down there, no me. No, brother. I reach back down there, so brother. I depend that with a man. I want to make sure, say, polish off them thing there. Yeah, them thing they take care of. I'm good to go. People will gain from you, people will get out of your hand. You will be giving away every day. But the way where people want you to do it, you never can do it. So.
No, no
you
yet.
will never do it, so you're going right back down to Papa State, brother. I depend that.
All businessmen, you know, what them do, you know, them work, them save,
you make
and
sure
them turn their money, you know.
achieve before you can give away, brother, more
People
than
understand
what you give. Oh, you pay, get $10. And you give a $8 blood clot dollar, where you go end up with? The other little $2 can maintain you?
No, sir.
No, brother.
You can't buy food and pay bill.
Can't work, brother. So you have to just know in yourself, say, brother, I nah look on just steady alone, you know. Me know about another man, but I nah look on just steady. Today, I make $1 million, I go say, bumbo clot, you know, say tomorrow I can make a next $1 million. So here, I mean, I can't fuck up $1 million today. That's not good.
No.
That's not good nowhere.
It's still not good.
Tomorrow it can be weather. You can't make a fucking dollar.
That's a joke.
Yeah,
That's a
tomorrow
joke.
weather, you can't make a dollar.
You can't blow off this
So
one
you have
time.
to tell yourself, say, you have a dollar one place, you know. So it can't go up and make a dollar.